Carp are opportunistic feeders and will feed on a range of foods. Once a food supply is discovered, carp are likely to return to the area frequently and develop routines that anglers have developed strategies to exploit. One such example site is where people feed bread and birdseed to ducks. If one looks closely, one will notice carp eating the remaining parts on the bottom. Clumps of aquatic vegetation floating or washing up on shore are a reliable indicator of carp feeding in the wild. When carp feed aggressively, they stir up the bottom, frequently dislodging aquatic vegetation. Plants with complete roots can be observed floating on the surface. Carp will consume aquatic vegetation's roots, main plant, and seeds. Carp feeding in weedy regions will frequently avoid eating the plants in favor of insects that use the vegetation as cover. Carp, like most other fish species, will not pass up the opportunity to eat a leech. Bass fisherman has told me that they have inadvertently caught carp on fake leech baits. If a carp comes upon a snail or other crustacean, its molars will quickly consume the protective shells that these organisms use as defenses against most other predators, just as clams and mussels. The carp's naturally powerful molars allow it to crush mussel shells, revealing the tasty flesh inside. Detritus is decaying plant matter that has accumulated on the bottom of some bodies of water, most commonly at river mouths where the fast-flowing current deposits the detritus in calmer waters. Carp can be observed sifting through trash, picking up insects and edible plant matter with their accordion-like mouth, and rejecting the inedible pieces. Carp will congregate near overhanging fruit or nut trees. In such situations, the fly fisherman has been known to target carp using imitation mulberry flies with great success. I've seen carp leisurely cruising the shallows many times while fishing on calm days. With the telltale suction-like sound, they gently creep to the surface to inhale dragonflies, damselflies, or any other surface-dwelling insect. It is not surprising that the carp will feed on other bottom-dwelling species such as crayfish. Crayfish are rather huge in comparison to other things foraged by carp, so this is one critter that would be high on the target list. Carp, as a huge fish, must eat frequently and in large numbers. Perhaps this is why carp feed on such a diverse range of foods and try or taste most stuff before ingesting them.